work from home effectively. Now that we have got settled down and we have got a fixed schedule, most of us have started getting bored. How to kill time? What to do with my time? Are frequent questions which people are asking. So today I will be talking about things that you can do or engage in while you are sitting at home. Before that, I would like to share a quote which one of my mentors sent me and I loved it. It said, "If you don't come out of this lockdown with a new skill, more knowledge, better health and fitness, you never lack time. You lack discipline." Whatever you decide to do while you are at home, make sure you do it with utter dedication and discipline. So, let's get started. The first thing that you could do while at home is clean your environment. A cluttered space always suppresses creativity. If you're going to stay in a space for a considerable time, then it's important to make it habitable. When you put efforts to clean a space, you know the pain you took to clean it, and hence will feel like making justice to your efforts by making use of the space mindfully. Not cleaning and lying down lazily around will not be an option. Hence, clean your space by yourself, as it is an act of self-motivation. Also, cleaning is a physical as well as a mental activity. Hence, it will boost your adrenaline up and charge your nerves too. You can do things like dusting, cleaning and tidying up your space, picking up trash, vacuum, open your windows, get in sunlight. Play happy and energetic music to help you in this activity. Ask yourself to clean just for 10 minutes and you'll see that you'll end up spending more time doing it. The second thing that you could do is reading. When I say reading, it can be reading a book, magazine, newspaper, or even soft reading on your iPad, tab, mobile, or computer. Involve yourself in productive reading. Avoid too much news. 10 minutes of news per day is more than enough to stay updated. Read a book, a journal, or follow some blog which writes about your topics of interest. Whatever you read, make sure you are taking in authentic and healthy content. The third activity which you can do while at home is listen to audio. You might consider listening to music or listening to a podcast or radio or even to a CD. Audios are best when you prefer multitasking. You can add knowledge or learn something or listen to comedy to lighten your mood or even deal with anxiety, depression or any other situations that you might have always wanted to address. Podcasts are really trending now. You can just download any podcast like Google Podcasts from your app store and get audios, classes, opinions by experts, news or any topic that interests you there. Audios help you to multiply your time as you can listen to them simultaneously while doing your routine tasks which do not need much of your attention like cooking, taking a shower or even cleaning. Another thing to keep yourself engaged is to learn something. While at home, you can invest yourself to learn a new skill or build on existing knowledge. You can take online courses to learn an instrument, learn a dance form, get professional certifications, learn a language, or learn to cook a new cuisine, etc. You can also call up experts and ask for guidance over phone too. There are multiple online platforms like Skillshare, Udemy, etc. which are providing tons of free and paid courses at discounted price right now, which you can leverage. Getting back to your hobby is another thing that you can do while you are at home. Engaging in activities which bring joy and satisfaction is another way to use your time wisely, like tailoring, painting, drawing, music, sports, gaming, puzzles, doodling, DIYs, or even crafts, indoor workouts, writing, etc. etc. Most of us have left our hobbies behind as we do not get time normally, due to which we feel lost. Practicing a hobby is as good as meditating. It gives joy, peace, and rejuvenates your soul. It is the best activity to keep you calm and relaxed. Network and communicate. Networking does not happen in physical presence only. It can be done over a phone, laptop, or a television too. You can call your friends, family, and other networks, chat with them, do a video call or conferences, or even play online games with them. You can also organize virtual parties. A lot of companies are doing virtual meetings and webinars nowadays. Live sessions are in trend too. As the number of people at home is increasing, you can use this time to connect with people who otherwise are not available due to busy schedules. As we are in isolation, most of us are alone and lonely and would love to establish new connections rebuild their own ones, repair the broken ones, and yes, even maintain the regular ones. When we interact with people during the busy times, they usually don't value it and tend to forget. But right now, they are longing for belongingness. Therefore, establish any connection that you want to do right now.
The seventh activity which you can do while you are at home is to teach something. If you are a knowledgeable person or you have some expertise, you can decide to share it in your own way. You can prepare some content like notes, videos, or audio recordings and upload it on multiple online or digital platforms. You can formalize it a little bit and create and design a course with multiple topics too, which can be uploaded session-wise. You can sign up on online teaching platforms like Skillshare, Udemy, podcasts like Spotify, etc. You can use Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, or even regular WhatsApp to teach and pass it on to interested audience. This will help you create a personal brand too. This online library of yours can be added to your resume when you need to apply for appraisals or even while switching a job. Another important point which you can do is engage in income generating activities. Staying alive equals expenses. Whether you go out or not, you have to buy stuff, pay bills, pay rents, etc. All of which needs money. So, it would be wrong not to talk about finances or income. You can use Google or YouTube to search different ideas which are in your domain of interest and expertise and will help you generate some passive income. The ideas you choose should be doable and should consider certain facts like what is your financial status, how much time can you hold on without generating income, what resources you need, etc. You can treat this as your passive income for the time being and later decide to make it your primary income depending on your progress. There are multiple ways of earning while at home like online teaching, blogging, counseling over audio or video call, webinars, affiliate marketing, graphic designing, online consultancy, investments like share markets, and many more. Taking care and supporting yourself and your family is another activity you can consider. This is a point which needs the most emphasis. For any person to be healthy, there are three aspects which need to be considered: mind, body, and soul. A person is at its best when all three are balanced. Thus, plan some activities daily to enrich all the three. Activities like puzzles, reading, etc. will enrich your mind. Activities like exercise, eating healthy, grooming, etc. will make you feel light, sleek, and confident. And activities like meditation, listening to soothing music, practicing a hobby, or even praying will help rejuvenate your soul. Playing some real-time games, or sport, or even taking a shower or a bubble bath are quite intimidating for your mind, body, and soul. As every individual is different, you have to note what works for you in which situation and see what works best for other members of your family and plan and execute accordingly. The last activity which you can consider while at home is to style or redo your space. Since you are at home for almost all the time, it might get boring and monotonous. You can give a makeover to your spaces, which will make you feel good about your surroundings. You can prepare and hang some paintings, create some DIY decors, or simply shifting your furniture and lights can create a huge difference to your interiors. You can also change your linens like curtains, carpets, cushions, etc. Adding some candles and spraying some room freshener can further help boost your mood and create new vibes and energy too. This activity will definitely give you a fresh kick.
Due to our busy schedules, we have so many things in our basket which we always wanted to do and couldn't do. Even if we have extra time now, we have to remember that we cannot do all of them. So it's best to choose a few of them and work on them. Do not overburden yourself. Take enough rest and stay safe. If you have any other ideas, mention them in the comments below so that people who are viewing this video can benefit from them. Also, do not forget to hit the subscribe, like and the notification bell button. Stay tuned to my channel. I will come back next week with a new video. Until then, take care, stay safe, stay home, wash your hands and bye-bye.